In this video, we'll look at how American R is different than R in other English dialects. The American R sound is made with the back of the tongue tight and braced against the inner upper teeth. The tongue tip can be down, or some Americans also use a retroflex R, making the same R sound by curling the front of the tongue back. To learn about the accent error patterns you may have for R, and for detailed help forming the American R sound, you can use my American R playlist. American R is the same no matter where we say it in the word. In other dialects of English, like British English, Indian English, and the English dialects spoken in Africa, the R sound is different when it's in the middle or at the end of the word than at the start of words. In those dialects, R in the middle and ends of words is pronounced as vowel schwa. Word sounds like word. Butter sounds like bettuh. Never sounds like nevuh. In American English, we always use American R, no matter where in the word we have the R. So it's right, red, very, word, butter. Let's look at some common words with R and listen to the American English versus the British English pronunciation. In American English, were. In British English, were. Work, wook. Person, puhson. Better, bettuh. Never, nevah. Either, eithuh.